Hey everyone, welcome to another GibbsCAM Tech Tip. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to get your support files into the correct directories. When you buy a post-processor or machine sim model, they will come to you in a zip format, and Gibbs has made it very easy in a one-step process to get them in the right location. GibbsCAM has enhanced their software to recognize incoming zip files and automatically place them into the correct directories if you follow these steps. When you receive a zip file from your GibbsCAM support team, leave it in the zip format. Do not unzip it. We're going to drag and drop the zip file onto an open GibbsCAM screen. Make sure that the version you have open is the current version you're working in. The software will recognize the zip file and break it down and then put it in the correct directories. So we're going to take this file, we're going to drag it over here, we're going to drop it onto an open GibbsCAM screen. You'll see the post package extractor extracted all the files out and placed them in the correct directories. There are two options. You have the open target directory and the OK button. Open target directory allows you to look at where they placed all these files. I would suggest just going to the OK button, selecting the OK button, and that is it. Now, on this star machine, there was an MDD that was included, and I'm going to hit the Documents Control tab. We're going to go down, and there's the star machine. It's actually ready to use and program. You'll see that I just selected it, and now it's ready to program. GibbsCAM software was designed with the end user in mind. It was intended to increase productivity by reducing the number of keystrokes to do the job. If you have any questions about this tech tip, please reach out to your local reseller and they'll be happy to help you.